Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make cheesecake brownies. I'm going to combine two of my favorite desserts, a fudgy brownie with a delicious cheesecake, combined together to make a cheesecake brownie. I know you got places to be, so let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is our brownie. So in this bowl, I have a mixture of chopped chocolate and chocolate chips. That's what I had in the pantry, but you can either use a bar of chocolate or chocolate chips. But make sure they're like 60% and above. And to that, we're going to go ahead and add some butter. And I'm going to melt this in the microwave until everything is nice and smooth and melted. But make sure you check it every 30 seconds or so you don't burn the chocolate. Once the chocolate is melted, you're going to go ahead and add the sugar. I like to add the sugar first here in the chocolate because the sugar will cool down the chocolate mixture a little bit. So just whisk it all together and also add some vanilla extra and eggs. Mix it until everything is nice and smooth. Once everything is nice and smooth, we're going to go ahead and add the dry ingredients. So I'm going to sift them because I'm using cocoa powder, and whenever you use cocoa powder, it tends to have lumps. So just sift together your flour, cocoa powder, and salt. After that, we're going to take a spatula and we're going to fold all this ingredient together. Make sure you don't do it so roughly because we still want to have a fudgy and delicious brownie. So just mix it until there's no dry ingredients left. So that's your brownie batter. So just set it aside, and now we're gonna work in our cream cheese. It is so simple. So in a bowl, I'm gonna go ahead and add some softened cream cheese, vanilla extra, and sugar. I'm using a hand electro mixer. I'm gonna mix it until everything's nice and smooth. Once it's nice and smooth, we're going to go ahead and add an egg and keep on mixing until everything is well blended. So now we're gonna bring everything together. So I'm using an 8-inch square pan, but you can use 8-inch or 9-inch. It really depends on how thick and high you want your brownies. But I couldn't find my regular pan, so I had to go to the store and get some aluminum baking pan. So this works, and I'm just gonna line them with parchment paper, and I'm going to add my brownie batter, reserving like a 1/3 cup. So once you add the brownie batter on the bottom, spread it evenly. Then you're going to go ahead and add the cream cheese part on top and spread it. And then you're going to, with the reserved brownie batter, you're going to scoop some batter on top. And then using a knife, you're going to swirl it around. So we're gonna bake this at a 350 Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. It usually is done, mine usually takes 35 minutes, but you check it with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, you know it's ready. It's okay if you have like a little crumbs, but make sure they're not wet. If they're moist, it's okay, but not like wet batter. So after that, once your brownie is baked, you're gonna let it cool completely. I like to let it cool in the fridge because it sets better. So after that, just cut them into square and enjoy. So I'm gonna have a little bite. It is so good. The brownie is very fudgy. So if you don't want to do with the cheesecake part, You can just bake these brownies as is and it will be nice and fudgy brownie without the cheesecake part. The same baking time and everything. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. It will be written in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time. Bye.